Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question many of you have asked. How much income can you realistically expect from a $10,000 investment? You might be surprised at the numbers, so stick around. And I'm here to help you navigate personal finance, investing, and how to build wealth for the future. If you're ready to improve your financial future, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. The average 28-year-old in the United States has about $10,000 saved for retirement. That might not sound like a lot, but let's explore what this amount could do for you in terms of dividend income. It won't fund your entire retirement, but it could help cover some smaller expenses or even pay for a vacation. One of the most common investments is the S&P 500, which holds 500 of the largest U.S. companies. It's widely recommended, even by Warren Buffett, and offers long-term stability. But when it comes to dividends, the yield is pretty low, about 1.5%. That means if you invest $10,000 in an S&P 500 ETF, you're only going to get around $150 per year in dividends. That's about $12.50 a month. Not a huge amount, right? But what if you're looking for a higher dividend yield? You could invest in something like the Invesco S&P 500 high-dividend low-volatility ETF. With a 4% yield, you'd get about $400 a year in dividends from a $10,000 investment. That's a more significant $33 per month. Keep in mind, though, higher dividends often come at the cost of lower overall growth. Another strategy is investing in sector-specific funds, like energy or real estate. These often have higher dividend yields due to the nature of their business. For example, a fund like Vanguard's Energy ETF could yield over 3%, giving you around $300 a year, or $25 a month. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, are another option, often paying dividends above 3%. Now let's talk individual stocks. Dividend aristocrats, companies with a long history of increasing dividends, are solid picks for income investors. Take AbbVie, for example. It currently pays a 4.5% dividend, meaning $10,000 invested in AbbVie would net you $450 a year, or about $37 a month. But here's something crucial. If you're young, you might want to focus on growth stocks instead of dividends. Why? Because growth stocks have the potential to provide significantly higher returns over time. For instance, a $10,000 investment in a growth ETF like Vanguard's growth ETF, which holds companies like Apple and Amazon, could yield a far larger portfolio by the time you retire. Just look at the difference. An 8% annual return on $10,000 over 40 years turns into about $217,000. But a 10% return would give you over $450,000. That's more than double the money, just by earning an extra 2% a year. Here's the takeaway. If you're young and have time on your side, focus on growth over dividends. While dividends can provide regular income, growth stocks offer much higher returns over the long term. And if you're closer to retirement, dividends might be a better fit, but make sure you're not just chasing yield. Look for solid fundamentals, too. So how much difference would $50 or $400 a year make to your life right now? Probably not much. But over time, focusing on growth can make a huge impact. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Here's to your financial independence. And remember, everyone's situation is different, so the best investment strategy is the one that aligns with your personal goals and timeline. Whether you're just starting out with $10,000 or looking to build a more substantial portfolio, the important thing is to take action and stay consistent. Don't be afraid to adjust your strategy as you go along, especially as you get closer to retirement. If you have any questions or want to learn more about personal finance, investing, and growing your wealth, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm always here to help. And who knows, your question might even be featured in a future video. And hey, If you're looking to dive deeper into investing strategies, make sure to check out my other videos. I've got playlists on everything from beginner investing tips to maximizing your 401k and Roth IRA contributions. The more you learn, the better prepared you'll be to take control of your financial future. Thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could benefit from it. Let's grow our financial futures together. Until next time, happy investing.